racing away in a good line too, and near the inside Nasserich jumped well, headed by Fewer Chosen. Stand and Cheer and Catapult are handy, and then Bella Mahal, Zaremba not leading today, well certainly not at this point, followed by Diamond Storm, Legs Ahoy and Ocean Palace last. Fewer Chosen, Die, Catapult, Dittman joint leaders out of the straight, and over the 2,000 crossing it is Fewer Chosen about 3/4 to a half length on Catapult, a little fired up and going quickly now Zaremba, and then comes Stand and Cheer, Nasserich on the rails, 2 to Legs Ahoy racing a little ungenerously from Ocean Palace, Diamond Storm, and on the outside Bella Mahal is throwing his head around, and he's one of the tail enders as they swing to the back, and here's Zaremba obliges by going to the front, and along past the 1,600 they travel, Zaremba by 2 lengths on Catapult, Fewer Chosen back to third, 2 to Stand and Cheer, and at his quarters the fence Nasserich, 2 to Bella Mahal, Ocean Palace, and Diamond Storm and Legs Ahoy are the joint tail enders. This is the order as they work down the back in the Tatts Plate and run past the 1,400 metres, and Zaremba, he's really fired up, he wants to run, and the jock has a strangled hold on him. Zaremba 2 lengths Catapult, 2.5 lengths away next the stablemates, Stand and Cheer on the outside of Fewer Chosen, and 2.5 to Nasserich, given plenty of time to settle down by Beatman. Then Ocean Palace followed by Bella Mahal, second last Legs Ahoy, and 3/4 to Diamond Storm. Out of the back straight they run now, and going onto the High Street side approaching the 900, and Zaremba given raid. He opens up by 2.5 lengths on Catapult, 3 lengths to Stand and Cheer, a half to Fewer Chosen, and 2 further back Nasserich, then Ocean Palace, Legs Ahoy, Bella Mahal, and Diamond Storm brings up the rear. 700 in front of them, still no change, and Zaremba 2 lengths on Catapult, 2.5 to Fewer Chosen, Stand and Cheer on his outside, and then Nasserich about to be wound up by Beatman, Ocean Palace on the inside, and then comes Legs Ahoy, Bella Mahal, and Diamond Storm has given up the ghost. Zaremba first for home, and approaching the 420. Zaremba a length and a half on the favourite, Catapult giving chase. In third spot, Nasserich, followed by Fewer Chosen, Stand and Cheer, and wider Legs Ahoy, but Catapult given full bore by Mick Dittman, raced away, and at the distance, or the old 200, and here it's Catapult about 4 lengths in front. Only interest in minors. Legs Ahoy, Nasserich from Fewer Chosen, but Catapult gives them a buff. Catapult 5 lengths. Photo second, Fewer Chosen or Legs Ahoy from Nasserich, Stand and Cheer, Ocean Palace. Zaremba knocked up and beat 2 in, Bella Mahal, and tailed off Diamond Storm.
Super Tab 7 Catapults, 350, 160, 1 Fewer Chosen, 220, and 9 Legs Ahoy, 230. Correct weight Canberra, weights right Canberra.
And 170, and a photo for minors between 1 Fewer Chosen, 230, and number 9 Legs Ahoy at $2.20. The winner, Catapult, trained by Kim Moore for the Tewkesbury Thoroughbred Syndicate, managed by John Freer and R. Guth, and also G and Mrs. R. Veribus and B.J. Roche and M.A. Johnson. Quite a few to split up the spoils of $34,000. And who gets the trophy? Well, it's a worthwhile one to get. It'll be a flip of a few coins. 7 Catapult first. Number 1 is second. Fewer Chosen by Family Ties from Star of Missenden, Gay Waterhouse, Shane Dye. And at number 9, third, Legs Ahoy, a brown gelding, 5 tights, Land Inside, Graham Rogers and Chris Muntz. The official fourth was 3 Nasserich. The time was 2:30.79, 2:30.79, that's 2.29 outside Kuba's Gold's race record, and the sectional time will be up in just a moment. Well, Zaremba went to the front as they went out of the straight up near the 1,800 metres, and he pulled fiercely for Cooksley, but Catapult got a beautiful run, and when Dittman popped the question to him, he really exploded, and well, maybe Kim Moore's found Catapult's real game, that as a stayer. Quinella, $16, Exacta, $34.40, and the trifecta, $161.10. The winning margin will be coming up in just a matter of moments, but in the meantime...
Everything's right, Adelaide.